Right, so today I'll be showing you how to change the date and time of a photo on your iPhone 17 or 17 Pro. So you want to go into your gallery and find that photo. So I'm going to pick this picture, for instance. So what you need to do is tap on the eye icon. And if you tap on the eye icon, you can actually see the metadata of that particular photo, including the date and time. So you can tap on adjust, and then you can change the date. So for instance, if you want this photo to be taken to appear to have been taken on the 9th, and then you can also adjust the time. So at the bottom here, you can even adjust maybe on 9th at 9:39 a.m. Okay, so you tap on that and then you can tap on adjust, and that's going to adjust the metadata of that particular picture. Simple as that. Now it's also going to rearrange the gallery and place that photo on that certain date. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And if you have any comments or questions, you can talk to us in the comment section. Good luck.